Many of us are people pleasers. We are fixers. We learned early that to say no, to express our inner voice, was to lose the love and worth from those around us. If this sounds familiar, then you need to learn that this is your pattern. You are a fixer. This is how you get love. This is not your authentic self. In order to create healthy boundaries, you will first need to learn to give yourself the validation that you so crave from others. When you begin to validate yourself, then you will stop using others to give you that sense of approval. And when you stop using others, you will learn to have healthy boundaries. They are the way for you to love yourself, to honor yourself, and to affirm your authentic presence. If you are having a hard time in your relationships and you don't know how to create healthy boundaries, then join my workshop on relationships, how you can identify your unhealthy patterns from childhood and break free to find authenticity, empowerment, and worth in your relationships.